Greetings, my name is Kevin Senkung Javira, and I would like to thank you for the work that you have been doing and also for the support directly and indirectly. Yeah, this is sponsored by HBMS TV, and don't forget to subscribe and comment and leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and also to win in 2022. Thank you. We are the Visionaries.
Hello everyone, welcome to HBMS TV Talking Health. Today in our building, I'm with the greatest man in the world, an ambassador weight loss management from the Visionaries International, from the Home-Based Medical Services, and today he's going to be happening to share with us about his products, how do they work. Actually, people were complaining and letting me know that those things have side effects. But I think you people can see my belly. I have a flat tummy. I use these products. Then those who have been questioning me about the effects and all that, today he's here and he's going to let us know if there is any side effect or not. So, Mister, I'm not going to introduce yourself because these people really want and are very eager to know who you are.
Season greetings to everyone. My name is Kevin Senkung Javira, and I'm a brand ambassador of Banslim, Body and Right Nutrition. Now, Banslim is manufactured by Weida Global Nutrition, and it has been in the business for 75 years. Now, being in the business for 75 years, Banslim couldn't have any approved therapeutic claim. So it has no side effects. It is completely natural, and the effects are also visible. Thank you.
Oh, wow. According to what he has told us, and according to the way you people see me with my flat tummy, with my #1 figure, I believe someone out there just come join us or check us out on YouTube, HBMS TV, Talking Health, and as well a quick reminder to you, do not forget to follow my show at exactly 8 to 10 a.m. Monday to Friday, Your Life Today. Love you all. Follow us live, check out, subscribe, and do not forget to ring the bell.